What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Gucci Will. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, first things first, of course, you gotta check the media. I always check the media first because it's right by the entrance of like every Goodwill, so why not? And this media section has this wall. You have this little wall of VHS tapes. You come around here, you got more DVDs on this side, and you get the wall of CDs. Well, I already went through the DVDs, and yeah, there's a lot to go through, but look what I got. Pretty good little haul right here. We'll pop up some prices, why not? We have Jet Li Fearless on Blu-ray. It is $5. Oof. I don't love that. It's $10 after fees, so I think we'll still grab it. We'll double up. This is a pretty cool little bolo, something to keep an eye out for. John Denver and the Muppets. I looked it up because, first of all, I've never heard of it. Second of all, I see holiday in the title. It's almost Christmas time. Christmas stuff is worth more right now. This time of year, it's December, right? So yeah, this one's going for a lot of money. Keep an eye out for it. We also grabbed Transformers the movie. It's half off. All green tags are half off today, so it's only $1.50. We've been doing really cool whatnot streams where we're selling very interesting media, so I try to curate things that I think people would like. We start our auctions at $3, so if this only goes for $3, we make $1 on it after fees. But it makes people happy when I find really cool things, so a few of these will go to that also. This Yu-Gi-Oh! Face Off is only $1.50. This Pikachu's Winter Vacation is $1.50. Pirates in the Caribbean, just grab that for us. We have Flashdance and Footloose. This is an Amazon one, brand new sealed for, again, oh, actually, this is only $1 because it's normally $1.99 and it's half off, so that's good. And then a Scooby-Doo for $1.50 again for the Whatnot streams. So yeah, not bad. Again, I start them at $3, so a lot of times things only sell for $3, but sometimes I get lucky and they get bid up to $4, $5, $6, right? But yeah, that's a little haul so far. Let's check out the rest of the store. I decided to take a quick look at the VHS here, and yeah, there's a whole bunch of Christmas stuff they just put out. You see Mickey's, Rudolph, Jingle All the Way, a whole bunch. Well, we pulled out two of them that are pretty good. Recess Christmas, I'll pop the price up here. These are $2 each, so $2 on that one, not terrible. And then this, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, is completely sold out on Amazon this time of year. I'm sure it's going for $30, $40 at this point. It's wild how much these things spike. I pretty much sell these every year for $30, $40. It's wild, so nice to find it. We will stick these in the cart. And Ashley's getting into a project. You might be wondering why I'm buying an Algebra VHS tape and Snow Day, which is actually a great movie. I loved it when I was younger, but look at the color of these tapes. We have an orange tape, and then these both are yellow tapes. So she is going to be making custom VHS tapes for fun. So we need different color shells to use. So an orange one's nice, and these are half off, so only $1, so 50 cents each. You can't beat it. We're gonna grab them. I want to keep heading out of the media section, but I found one more thing that I missed. Brand new sealed. I'll pop the price up here. I think it's going for like $24. Pretty cool. I've never even heard of it. Rambling Rose. Robert Duvall. We'll take them. Now we go check out the rest of the store. Alright guys, so now I'm back here at the toys section, and yeah, it's loaded with stuff. And I see a Funko Pop. A lot of people say Funko Pops are dying, they're not worth anything anymore. I keep selling them. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep picking them up as long as they sell. This one's only $1.99. I'll pop the price up here. It's an expensive one. I'm surprised people are spending so much on a spam Funko Pop, but they are. So whenever I ship these into Amazon, I put them in one of those plastic pop protectors to keep them safer in shipping, and also so I don't slap a label right on the box. Pop collectors are pretty picky, so I try to make them as clean as possible when I ship it in. One thing I'm noticing right here is this tiny little ding right there. Sometimes that's all it takes to get a return on these things, so I'm actually probably gonna leave this. You could probably get away with it, and you guys see how much it's going for, but I'm going to leave this behind because I didn't notice that, and I'm going to be very careful with that. But we also grabbed this Clemson-opoly. Now, this is brand new. It's $8, a little high. After fees, you guys can see the price. It's like $14, give or take, minus my $8. Yeah, that leaves us with about a $6 profit. It's not amazing, but it's not too bad. So I'll stick it in the cart for now, and it's a shame about this spam guy. Should I take a gamble on him? Do you think we'd get a return on him? I have a weird feeling I would, so I don't know. It is only a $2 gamble. Should I do a test run and see and let you guys know? You know what? We'll try it. Let's see how picky somebody is over that tiny little ding right there. We'll find out together. Alright guys, I'm looking around the miscellaneous section because I've really been needing an Xbox 360 Connect for myself, and Goodwills are kind of the place to go for them. And, oh yeah, this Goodwill has them. I mean, what? And they're all half off? Do they all not work, or do they all work? Now, Goodwill in Connecticut does give you 2 days to return electronics if they don't work. At $4 each, are these worth it? They used to be. I'm going to look them up, but there's probably 20 of them here. Maybe 15. Maybe 15. I'm going to take a quick look, see if these are still worth it, because at $4 each, if I can make 15 bucks a pop after fees, I don't know if that's even feasible anymore. Yeah, we'll have to find out. So I'm looking, they have a massive wreath. Okay, that was distraction. So I'm looking down the rest of the electronics wall over here and seeing if I can find any more Connects. And down on the bottom shelf, we have ourselves an Xbox One Connect, also for $7.99 half off, $4. So I think we'll grab that. Again, I don't know if these are worth anything. I could be crazy right now because I'm filling my cart with Connects. But I'm thinking, so originally in my head, I was thinking maybe they all don't work and that's why they're here. But there are a couple local video game stores in this town. And I'm thinking maybe they just weren't selling for them, so they dropped them all off here. That's the only thing I could think of. I don't know why else they would have so many. So the cart's looking a little wild. We do have a protector goose, making sure nothing gets stolen. And we have like 20 Connects. Didn't expect this. Alright, so I looked up the Connect sensor and it's selling for 20 bucks. You need to include a Connect Adventures, which I have like 30 of at the house right now because I buy some video games in bulk. And I get so many of these Connect Adventures, so they're just sitting in a box. So I have those for free. I can bundle them and pay, what, $4? Yeah, I'd make about $5 to $6 each on these. Now, if we click in, we could see a little more here. There's one guy at 20 and the next guy's at 21. So we could add $1 to it. So we can make $7 a unit, spend $4 to make $7. That is before bubble wrap and shipping. Oh, I don't love that. If it was like $10 profit on each one, that'd be great, because bubble wrap alone can cost $1 or so. And then the time and the tape and all of that. So I think I'm leaving all the Connect sensors behind at $4 each. The Xbox One Connect also was not worth it. So even though I filled my cart with Connect sensors, they all got to go back on the shelf. So I'm going to bring this back right now. Just searching around the tchotchke aisle when all of a sudden, oh my. Oh my. Oh my. That's absurd. I think they sawed the hands right off. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, Ashley just made a find, something we've both been looking for and never find. For $1.99, a Starbucks Ireland mug from 2015. I'll pop the price up right here next to it, and it's not going for a crazy amount of money, but I never find Starbucks mugs at Goodwill. At $1.99, I think it's selling for about $20 to $30. Not too bad, and we're going to grab that, but we are going to leave this behind, sadly. I'm still taking my laps around the store, seeing what else I missed, and way in the corner here, we have 3 more Xbox One Connects, all for half off. I've actually, as I've been walking around, I've debated talking to the cashier or maybe the store manager and seeing if they'll sell me all of these at $2 each, and I take them all. We'll see. And actually, looking up here, there's another one for $8. Oh wait, what is this? I keep finding stuff. Oh, this is actually cool. This is a Nintendo Switch controller for $3 half off, but this joystick is shot. So yeah, these must have all came from a video game store or maybe a video game seller that just couldn't get rid of them. So who knows? Oh, what else do we have here? Is this a Sony? It is a Sony. I have pretty decent luck with the Dream Machine. So you see it says Dream Machine right there. There's different models on Amazon, but this one has scratches all over the front, so this isn't something I would sell. I'll pop up the model that you guys should keep an eye out for if you can sell Sony on Amazon. There's also some decent ones that you can sell on eBay. They just go for a little less, but when you find them for $2, $3, it's not too bad. So we left Goodwill, and I wanted to go to that video game store I thought was getting rid of all those connects. We were actually looking for some things for ourselves, video games, movies, and little did we know they were getting out of all their physical media. The owner was super nice, and he made us an insane deal on everything. Let's head home and see everything we got. Alright guys, we are back at the house, and yeah, I had to go get some boxes. Holy cow. I did not expect to fill the entire car. I thought I was going to get like 10 VHSs or DVDs or something. We were just swinging by. I kind of wanted to just grab some video games for myself. I don't even know if I mentioned any of this. And eventually the owner of the store came up to me and said, hey, how about you buy it all? So I don't know if I've said already, but they were doing $1 each on almost all of their media. I did buy some stuff that was a little more than that. But I was like, well, at $1 each, yeah, some of these are pretty cool. Some Spider-Man VHS tapes, some CDs, some cool Dragon Ball Z DVD sets. I'm like, yeah, I could do $1 each. I'll buy like 30. He's like, well, if you buy them all, would you do 33 cents each? Like, oh man, I can't say no. I looked over to Ashley. I saw her face and she's like, well, I know we're coming home with all of this, so let's get to packing because I can't say no to that. I mean, there is just some really, really cool things mixed in here at 33 cents each. Now, the Dragon Ball Zs, some of the anime stuff, I actually paid a little more for. So these $20 ones, I think I paid $5 each for, but 3 of them are brand new sealed. Season 5, 6, and 7 are all brand new sealed, so that's pretty cool. This huge box set of Yu Yu Hakusho, let's see, it was $20, so I probably paid $5 for this whole thing, or I paid $1 each, so $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7 on that. Yeah, pretty wild. Got some Goosebumps VHSs. These were all 33 cents each, which was great. And then the CDs were all 33 cents each. I didn't even look through them, but I saw some good ones here. Linkin Park, you can't go wrong. What else do we have in here? Stained, Resident Evil Extinction. There's a soundtrack for Resident Evil? See, there's going to be some cool stuff in here when I bring it all inside. Oh, that's cool. Like I said, I don't even know what's in here. I didn't even box it all up. Ashley boxed most of it up while I was making the deal. So this worked out great. Let's get it all inside. I grabbed a couple extra boxes since we had to loose pack some of this stuff. And it's very icy out here. So the ice is killing me right now. Let's head inside. I just let the 2 pups out to watch me as I work. Oh, she wants snow. Hey, come on, up here. Look how tall she is. Who's a tall baby? You're a good girl. Okay, bye. Also, our whole canopy collapsed with the snow, so I had to break it all down so it's off the house. It also ripped out part of the siding. That was really fun. Okay, back to work. All right, I have officially emptied the car. Everything is inside. We now have to say bye to Sophia. Enjoy your little perch. She'll lay on that ice for hours. Bye. Hello, little one. And Penny is good to go. Hi. Let's see how many boxes take out the dining room right now. Oh, geez. Hey, nudes. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Let's see if we find anything good. If you guys want to see a full breakdown of this stuff, I'm going to set up my camera, film this, upload it in another video. Since this was mostly a thrifting video, I'll give you guys some of the highlights. We have so many crazy things in here. If you're interested in it, check out the next video. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.